everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and join Fiverr account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Simply open up a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in www.fiverr.com and press enter on a keyboard. From the official webpage of Fiverr, which looks like this, in order to join in and create a new account, go to the top right hand corner and click on the join button. You can join Fiverr with your Facebook account, Google account, or with your Apple account, or you can also choose to enter a valid email address. Enter your email into the text box appearing on the screen and click on the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to choose a username for yourself. Type in the username that you'd like to use and make sure to type in a unique username. Once you have a valid username typed in, go ahead and choose a password for yourself and type it in the next field. Make sure that your password consists of an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and a number, and it is at least 8 characters or longer. After choosing a password for yourself, click the join button and you'll be able to create a new account or join in to a Fiverr account. Fiverr is known as the world's largest marketplace for digital services. It offers both buyers and sellers a digitally streamlined transactional platform. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.